บายดีพี่น้อง Hello Hi guys After I got burned from the papaya salad you think I'm gonna be done? No I'm not I can make more There's a pepper and look there's a lot of pepper in there Yep Steam sticky rice to eat with my papaya salad Okay let's go see Look That's a lot of pepper in there I put dry pepper and fresh pepper because I run out. Oh, my camera is fall down. Okay, here. Should be good enough. I hope it's not fall down again. Stew. Okay. And this is lime. Ooh, cold pit. Super hot. I'm not gonna make all because I'm gonna leave some for maybe for Sharon. Yeah, should be good. She don't eat spicy, so. And this is fish sauce. It's homemade. You interested in to buy some? Let me know. We're not selling in over here, okay? We're just trading with money. That is the traditional fish sauce in Lao called padek. Oh my. Oh my guys. Look. It's super hot. Let's try. Oh my. Maybe more fish sauce. And then more lime juice. Should be good now. Eat this. Look guys, look. Very hot. Hot. เผ็ดสะใจ Very yummy and spicy. Now I'm gonna make one for Sharon. I think the pepper in this would be okay for her. So I'm just gonna put only garlic in here. Cause a little bit of sugar. A little bit of MSG. Then I'm gonna take this pepper out. Put it on my. It's gonna be super burned, guys. บ่เผ็ดบ่แซ่บ This is for Sharon, so I'm gonna put these. Fish sauce, lime, and some of tomato. That's how I sharp my knife. Oh shoot. Just like that. See, just only the pepper that is on the in Coke, you know, it's already spicy enough for Sharon because she don't eat spicy at all. Oh my god. It's good, but not spicy. You can put this in your eye. It's not spicy. I'm just compared like. Oh, I wish I'd be tall. I'm gonna put in this box for her. Oh yeah. See? That's not spicy at all. Now compared to mine. See all the pepper seed? Oh yeah. Alright, that's for you, Sharon. And then I'll cook some sticky rice to eat with it. Because I love it. These I'm gonna eat half of it and then I'll save half to share with Ravi. Sharp. Super hot, super good. บ่เผ็ดบ่แซ่บเนาะ I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Heartburn papaya salad. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe เป็นกำลังใจคนไก่บ้าน Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoy Noi Big channel.